Okay. Wait, Lin. Something's wrong. Oh no. Lin, you should come to me. Come back to your mother. No, wait. Don't listen to her. Mother? Lin, look at me. Stay near me. Tika Imra. No, get out of my way. Don't try to stop me. Run! You've got to escape, Lin. Go to Ujan. It's our last chance. Ujan? Who is that? What do you mean, Gran? Gran! Now come to my Lin. Now come, my Lin. Your mother is waiting for you. You? How could you? You can't be my mother. The end has come for us all. Her suffering has ended. Now let me end your suffering. Don't come here, Lin. Oh, shoot. Don't leave me again. She'll jump. Okay. Oh, man. That was daring. Okay. Okay, she drifted ashore. Oh! What was that? Oh, what was the race again? Mogul? Mogu? Mog? Or something? Mogi. Kupo. Wake up, don't just lie there. Wake up.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their